Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V40. It's the R design with absolutely faultless and immaculate diamond cut alloy wheels, finished in glacier white, rear park distance control, twin exhausts, full R design body styling, absolutely fantastic condition. Boot area's got the parcel shelf, unabused. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside for the better light, but are kept inside our indoor unit for any weather viewing. Half leather, Alcantara trim with white stitch piping in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. R design embossed seats. It's done 102,555 miles. Got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Lovely condition throughout. DJH offers full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you. Cheers, Bill.